This is good news for you. If, for instance, you are in a 9 to 5 job that is no longer inspiring or meaningful to you, you just hate it. If, for instance, your budget is so tight that you are looking for an additional income stream, if, for instance, you are over 50 and you are anxious about retirement because you wouldn't like your standard of living to drop to such an extent that you can barely survive, if you are in this situation, the good news is that what I am about to share is for you. It is a strategy, it's a way out. I'm Linda. I'm sharing this information because I've been there and I am enjoying the fruits of having taken action. I am presenting affiliate marketing as a way out for a very simple reason. I'm going to share with you 5 benefits of being an affiliate marketer. It's passive income. Even if you're fast asleep, that income comes in. It's flexible. You can do business anywhere, particularly as long as you have a laptop and you have access to the internet. You can do business anywhere at any time. It's also cost effective. There are no astronomical overheads, and it is low risk. Business can be very risky, particularly if you are a new entrant. Therefore, you find that with affiliate marketing, you are cushioned by the merchant. I'll explain that. And then finally, for people who don't like administration like myself, there is no responsibility of customer support. That is done by the merchant. That is the merchant whose product or services you are promoting, because everything is done. All that you do is to source business and then you ferry it to the merchant. The rest is done by them. If, for instance, refunds have to be made, there is a system. If, for instance, there are certain customer queries, they handle that. All that you do is to then receive your commission. And that is why I'm presenting this as a low risk strategy if you want to earn additional income. Right, let us be specific. When it comes to passive income, these days with automation, it is very easy to actually do your business anywhere, wherever you are at any time. We are living in a global village. When I wake up, some people are going to bed and the system is just it's working. So that business, it is a 24-hour, 7 days business, which is beautiful. What is also beautiful, it's the flexibility. You don't have to stick to your 9 to 5. The time is freed so that you do other things that are meaningful, that are enjoyable with family and friends and whoever. So that flexibility is very attractive, particularly when you are already preparing for retirement. You don't want to free your time so that you could just take it easy and enjoy maybe cruising if you want to cruise, go on holiday, etc. And you get that, if you are an affiliate marketer. Low income, I indicated that you don't have to pay rent and have staff. You'll be answering many phone calls. You don't have those overheads. The only thing that you need to take care of is paying your tax, the 30% from your income. Other than that, the overheads are minuscule. The risk, it is low risk, as I've indicated, because the heavy lifting, the good news is that the heavy lifting is done by the brand, that is the merchant whose product or services you are promoting. And that's beautiful. Customer queries don't come to you, they go to the merchant. And can you imagine being an affiliate marketer of Amazon, of Google, of Apple, of Starbucks, and other banks, the big brands, etc.? They have the machinery, they do the heavy lifting. All that you do is to market and literally introduce the product or services to a customer. The rest is history. You then wait for your commission. Another beautiful thing about being an affiliate marketer is that you are not exposed to just one product or service. You could be an affiliate marketer for other products or services for various niches. However, I will caution that when you are a beginner, you better focus so that you have a handle of what goes on, and then you can diversify and diversify with confidence and a track record. So the bottom line is that I am sharing this information when it comes to affiliate marketing because I have opted to be a digital affiliate marketer, which is even easier than anything with digitization. All that I needed when I started, it was a laptop and access to the internet. I was not technologically savvy. And the good thing is that when I became an affiliate marketer of LaunchU, the support that I have received is amazing. And I have grown. They have every support program that you require because, after all, when you are an affiliate marketer, you are a brand. That is how you need to come across. You need to, you know your story. So I don't look back when I consider where I was. So I do invite you to visit my website in the description below. For now, I have posted my free ebook. It doesn't touch on affiliate marketing. Watch this space because in a few days' time, I'm going to be sharing with you on my website. It is an ebook specifically on affiliate marketing, and I invite you to watch this space. Should it happen that you find this video resonating, that you find this video pointing you in the direction of getting a way out of the boring and demanding 9-to-5 job, or you are anxious about retirement, or you just want another side hustle to top up so that you continue to live comfortably financially. If you find this sharing, talking to you, pointing you to a resolution that is going to take you to wherever you want to go, do click the button below, do subscribe, and do share this information because the opportunities are immense when it comes to affiliate marketing. I've been there and I'm enjoying this and I'm sharing it with confidence. Thank you very much for listening, and do give this video a thumbs up.